má jẹ́ kó fi speaking in tongue dúró ẹ, má jẹ́ kó fi speaking in tongue, má jẹ́ kó fi bá ẹ sùn, má jẹ́ kó fi mentor bá ẹ sùn. Many people tó máa ń mú àwọn èèyàn as mentor, godfather, prayer partner, spiritual father, spiritual brother, spiritual sister. Can you be my mentor? You see all of this, I'm not saying it's bad, but do you know what they are doing off social media? Do you know what they are doing off cameras? They only show you whatever things they want you to know about them. Èèyàn mélòó nínú àwọn mentor tó mú àti godfather tó mú ló tẹ̀lé wọn délé rí? Èèyàn mélòó nínú àwọn godfather tó mú, god sister tó mú ló mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀? Ayé ju gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń wò yìí lọ. It is not about speaking in tongues. How sure are you gan pé speaking in tongues ẹni tó mú as godfather yẹn ó rí o? I'm not going against them. But kó tó di pé wàá mú yàn as mentor, as prayer partner, as somebody that you are looking up to, mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀. Tó o bá ti mọ̀, má mẹ́ni kankan as your godfather. Let God be your godfather. Let God be your mentor. Or kó lọ mú ìyá ẹ as mentor àbí bàbá ẹ tí wọn bá dẹ̀ ṣe mú rẹ as mentor. Mentor yourself. Wọ́n ti fi mentor. Can you mentor me? Wọ́n ti fi bá ọmọ ẹlòmíì sùn. Wọ́n ti fi bá obìnrin mi sùn. Wọ́n ti fi bá ọkùnrin mi sùn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi lè rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Can you be my mentor? Wọ́n ti fi bá ọmọ ẹlòmíì sùn. Can I come and cook for you? You are my mentor. Thank God I meet you today. Bestie, I like the way you pray. Ẹni tó jẹ́ pé ibi tó ti ń gbàdúrà yẹn nìkan ni ṣó mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń kọ̀rọ̀. Ṣó mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀. Before you even choose someone as your mentor, you supposed to have the Spirit of God that will tells you every details about that person you want to choose as mentor. Holy Spirit is supposed to tell you every details about that person you want to choose as mentor, as godfather, as godmother. Go back to your God. Tó o bá ti mọ nǹkan tẹ́nìyẹn ṣe ń kọ̀rọ̀, tó o mọ kọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀, tó jẹ́ pé gbangba nìkan ló mọ̀, nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ kọ́ ìmọ̀ náà lẹ mọ̀, nǹkan tó ń post nìkan lẹ mọ̀. Try to make a research. No more details about that person you want to choose as mentor. Ẹ̀yin student lẹ́dẹ̀ máa ń ṣe é jù. Small thing tó bá ti ń scababosh lórí stage ẹ ti máa rí wọn as mentor. Má máa fọ́ fún nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ bá ń rí lásán, nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe lásán. Má fọ́ fún speaking in tongue. Má jẹ́ kó fi speaking in tongue dúró ẹ. Má jẹ́ kó fi speaking in tongue. Má jẹ́ kó fi bá ẹ sùn. Má jẹ́ kó fi mentor bá ẹ sùn. Ẹlòmíì gan sọ nǹkan tó ń go through fún wa. Ẹlòmíì ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ ní. Torí tó bá ti rí èèyàn kan báyìí á ti wò pé ẹni ló lè mentor mi. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti bá ẹlòmíì sùn, wọ́n ti ṣẹ́yún fún àmọye gospel artist tó ti ṣẹ́yún fún àwọn èèyàn tó ń torí pé wọ́n like wọn. Wọ́n ti gba nọ́mbà wọn, wọ́n ti bá wọn sùn, wọ́n ti ṣẹ́yún fún wọn. Be very careful before you choose somebody as your mentor. Make sure you have the Holy Spirit. I mean the original Holy Spirit, not this Ayas Kababo show. Make sure you have the original Holy Spirit that make a research about that person that you want to choose as mentor. Make your deep research. Small thing. Ẹ ti máa former artist. Make sure tó o bá ti lè fi ìyá àti bàbá ẹ ṣe mentor, fira ẹ ṣe mentor, fọlọ́run ṣe mentor, fọlọ́run ṣe godfather. That is the best. Ìra ẹnìkan ni kó o mọ̀ nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn èèyàn ń bára wọn sùn. Mọ́lọ́run ní mentor ẹ. Let God be your mentor. And if you have opportunity to pick anybody as your mentor, make sure you have the Holy Spirit that will tells you every details. Kódà tí ọjọ́ tó bá rí mentor ẹ, Holy Spirit yẹ kó sọ fún ẹ pé ó ṣe bọ́mọ sùn ni. So that wàá lè sá fún, ó yẹ kó sọ fún ẹ. Tí mentor ẹ bá ń bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, ó yẹ kó Holy Spirit sọ fún ẹ pé ẹnìyí ń parọ́ ni. Pọmọpọmọ ni ó máa ń pa ọmọ. Before you have a mentor, have Holy Spirit and make sure your Holy Spirit tells you every details about that person and make a research. Tó bá wù ẹ́ kó gbọ́ ti ẹni o, tó máa fún ẹ lóyún. Please watch the full video on YouTube.